G'day guys, welcome to another Kamikaze creation video. Today I'm going to have a look at the little Celica. We're working in the boot. When I went to buy this car, it didn't have a battery in it, so I threw a battery in it. But also I found that the fuel pump was buggered. It was one of those Bosch 0.4s. She just seized up over time. A mechanic friend of mine gave me a fuel pump out of it was a Mercedes or something like that, but it's rattly and noisy and terrible. So and the fuel in the fuel tank stinks like anything. So I'm just going to drain the tank and hopefully fit up a new fuel pump, but I'll give you a look. This is the fuel set up inside the boot. The boot's pretty much gutted. It's got a boot mounted battery and that cable runs in through the car. Fuel tank's up under here. Looks pretty ugly, but you know, that seems to be where it is. The little fuel pump up here is supplying the overflow tank, which has a return line on it. And you can see down here, this fuel pump that I've put on, it's out of a Mercedes. I've bought this one. It's a Raceworks fuel pump. It's the basically the Bosch 0.4. Those fittings I've fitted up onto it. But I'm going to fit that into the car, see what she sounds like, and then I'm going to drain the old fuel out of it that stinks like anything, and put some new fuel in it and give her a fire up. Doing this, I found that the little pump up here, that's the main supply down to the overflow tank. It's the noisy sucker. I thought it was the other pump, but this is noisy as rattles away, so I'll have to get in and fix that up as well. But I've fitted up the new pump down here, the main supply high pressure pump for the fuel injection system. It's all hooked up and running and good. I've just got to fill the fuel tank up now and give her a kick in the guts. So I've changed the fuel pump over to the 0.44. Hooked it back up. I've drained the fuel tank. I was surprised at how much fuel there was in there. It took ages to drain that out. It had only 20 litres of fuel in there, and if you've ever smelt really bad unleaded fuel, you'll know what I'm talking about. It stinks. Anyway, I've drained the tank out. There's about 20 litres in there. I've filled it up with some fresh unleaded, and I was just thinking tomorrow I might get a set of spark plugs, but we'll see how she fires up once she primes up. She does get a bit of a funny smell to her when she starts up. Not sure what that is, but I'll have to check it out. Anyway, she starts, looking good. Love the sound of that twin turbo. Anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Keep an eye on this little beast.